Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdus with Kashmir Update. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and other parts of the world will observe Martyrs Week from tomorrow. Call for the observance of the week has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. As per the calendar issued by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, a special prayer meetings shall be organized tomorrow in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and abroad to pay homage to Kashmiri martyrs. On Wednesday, protest rallies and processions shall be organized and pro-freedom banners and placards be displayed. Thursday will be observed as Resistance Day to mark the martyrdom anniversary of popular youth leader Burhan Wani and his associates, while historical 13th July shall be observed as Martyrs' Day in remembrance of 1931 martyrs. Complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on these 2 days, while marches toward Astral, the native town of Burhan Wani, and the martyrs' graveyard at Naqshband Sahab in Srinagar will be held on 8th and 13th July. Call for the protest calendar has been supported by all pro-freedom leaders and organizations. Meanwhile, posters reading slogans like "Go India, Go Back" and "We Want Freedom" appeared for the 4th consecutive day today in every nook and corner of the occupied territory. The People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration has reiterated its commitment to fight jointly to reverse the unconstitutional and unacceptable measures taken against the people of Jammu and Kashmir on 5th August 2019 by India. The alliance, in a statement issued after its meeting chaired by Dr. Farooq Abdullah at his residence in Srinagar, said the alliance's struggle would continue till restoration of pre-August 5, 2019 possession of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian police once again arrested a Kashmiri man, SHJ&K, who was released just 1 month ago by a court after 11 years of his illegal detention. Civil society members, while expressing serious concern over the re-arrest of SHJ&K, termed the action as unjustified and illegal. The Delhi High Court has refused to discharge a Kashmiri businessman, Zohar Ahmed Watali, in a fake case registered against him in 2017. Renowned Kashmiri scholar and pro-freedom leader Abdul Hamid Karimi passed away in Rawalpindi today. He was a cancer patient. All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations in their statements condoled his death. In India, BJP-backed anti-Muslim violence is going on unabated. The death toll in the Hindu mob lynching incident in Tripura's Khowai district on 20th June has risen to 4 with the recovery of the body of a missing Muslim man. In another incident, 62-year-old man Kazim Ahmed was attacked by Hindu goons in New Delhi. The victim told media that he was brutally beaten, harassed and assaulted by the group while he was on his way to Aligarh to attend a relative's wedding. Jamaat-e-Islami India, while expressing serious concern over the vicious circle of hate crimes against Muslims in the country, has appealed to Modi government to rein in the communal forces and anti-social elements behind these incidents. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.